Are you looking for a simple way to organize tasks, manage projects, and improve productivity? Then welcome to this complete beginner-friendly course on Trello. In this course, you'll learn how to use Trello to organize personal projects, business workflows, and team collaboration using boards, lists, and cards. You'll discover how to create and manage workflows, use labels, checklists, and due dates, track tasks and project progress, add attachments and custom fields, collaborate with teams, use Power-Ups and integrations, and manage projects from both desktop and mobile devices. Whether you are a beginner, a student, a freelancer, a business professional, or someone wanting to become more organized, this course will give you practical, real-world skills you can start using immediately. The lessons are simple, step by step, and designed to help you build confidence quickly, even if you've never used Trello before. By the end of this course, you'll be able to create your own complete Trello workflow systems for productivity, project management, and collaboration. So if you're ready to get organized and work more efficiently, join the course today and start mastering Trello.